whakairo is the causative prefix for something to happen, whaka. And iro is a he kupu tawhito. Rawa atu tēnā mo te mātauranga mutunga kore. Terms like the Toi Aro, which is accessing the soul inside the human being. And then we have the Toi Aro, which is to do with exploration. That's where this one is concentrated on. So you see the white whalebone that goes up, that symbol is called Māori, left and right, meaning kei te haere ngā tahi ngā mea erua, taha whatukura, taha marikuri. And then Māori is related to the development of the physical aspect of our whole being. When you consider our physicality, our solid part, our liquid part, the gas part, and then the other four layers of the ether. Nā ko the other four layers of the ether refer to these symbols. And then so that's the first part, is the Māori. The second part is Wairua, ara. That's the blue agate, indigo agate. And then the third one is the circle and the dot. And that one is called Wairua. The circle is the all-inclusive, but the dot is the manifestation of that infinite potential that comes into form.
Kei te tuhi arunga, kei te tuhi araro. Kei te rapa arunga, kei te rapa araro. Kei a tū te tapu ai, kei a rongo te tapu ai. Ngaua e ngā pia, ngaua e ngā tauira, ngaua e ngā pūkera. Whano, ara mai te toki hauni e, hui e, taiki e.
When I first met Paki Harrison, and I came over here and he said to me, "Oh, got your chisels, boy?" Yeah, in the car. See that big raka over there, that big tree? The Potukamano. That's the Potukamano for all Tāwhao. Shouldn't take you long, eh? So, a month later, we were into it. Well, I was into it, finished it in a month. Another time when we came over here to the old Tāwhao, everybody, when Paki was out for a bit, he thought, a good little deed, and we put all the weaving up on the back wall of old Tāwhao. And he came back and he looked at it and he said, What? No, nothing. What? Oh, you just put the panels all upside down. Right across the front wall, and with gasping breath, old Max says, we get all the guys to, we'll rip them off, get them down tomorrow and we'll change them around. Paki just quietly stays there and looks at him and says, no, only you and I know that. We leave it just like that, just to make sure that everybody knows that this house was done by humans. So, it's like the old saying, takatu keri te koe ki te rere o te wai, which is a hallmark of the masters, adapt like water, my friend.